Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to use Canva templates in PowerPoint. So guys, first things first is of course go to canva.com and make sure to sign in into your account. Now let's go ahead and select one of the templates. So from here, for example, I would like to choose this template over here. And now I could select customize this template. And of course, I would just simply edit it out to make it original based on my presentation and use this template to utilize my presentation. Now, once you are done editing your template and want to use it on the PowerPoint, select share on the top right corner. And from here, you should be able to see all, which is the three dots. Let's select on it. And now, once you are here, as you can see, you will have an option, Microsoft PowerPoint over here down below. Now, if you don't see that, you can just simply go ahead and use the search bar over here at the top and search for PowerPoint. It will be just the same thing. And after that, you can just simply choose which pages that you are willing to download and select download over here. Now, once you have downloaded it, of course, guys, it will be saved as PowerPoint. And when we open it up, as you can see, it will open up the PowerPoint and we should be able to utilize it as well on the PowerPoint tab.